Hey guys, it's Olivia, and as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be unboxing my Telfar bag, honey. Yeah, I was gonna say like don't mind the hair, but like I honestly don't care. It's just in braids, okay? We're trapped in the house. Do you expect for me to do my hair? No. Anyway, this is what it comes in. Well, it came like more flat. Oops. But this is what it came in, a dust bag. And then here's the bag. I feel like that was so awkward and I'm so sorry. Not really that sorry, but anyway. So yeah, I got the small gray bag. This is what it looks like inside, because I know like when I was thinking about buying one of these bags, I was really curious on what the inside looked like, because I'd like to know if like bags have like little pockets on the inside or anything like that. This does not have any pockets. It's just the purse on the inside. This is just the tag. And then it also has two little straps, and then it has two long straps, and they're not adjustable, but it's fine, girlfriend, because it's, I mean, they're long enough. They're pretty long. So that's my unboxing. This video is only a minute and 30 seconds, but that's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed. Follow me on Instagram for more makeup, and follow me on Twitter because I'm funny. Bye.